Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to start a blog in 6 simple steps. I would like to inform you that there is no shortcut for a blogger. You need to discipline yourself and follow the proper guidelines. Plan your blog like I have planned for my next post already, and you can see here. So let's begin. The first step will be select your topic. So you can select your topic based on your expertise and your passion and your knowledge about that topic. If you don't know your topic yet, so you can start writing about yourself, what you do, what do you like, what are your hobbies, or you can select it from top trending topics like parenting, cooking, how to make money online. But don't go back. You are watching this video because you want to start a blog, so at least start from writing about yourself. The next step is to decide the blogging platform. So basically a platform is where you store your content on the server. I recommend you to use WordPress because it is very easy for beginners and it comes with various built-in plugins. And migration from WordPress to any other host is very easy. So that's why I recommend you to use WordPress. Next step is decide your domain name. Domain name is basically a web address. For example, my domain name is mubinsmanual.com. You can visit my blog for checking desired domain name. I recommend you to register your domain name at the same place where you get the web hosting. It will simplify the process. You don't need to migrate or transfer your contents. Try to keep your domain name as short as possible and make it memorable and easy to spell. Once you select your domain, the next step is selection of theme. WordPress offers you by default variety of themes. So based on your content and topic, you can select the theme. The theme should be very responsive and user friendly. Let's move to the next step, post and published. Once you select your theme, you should delete the default contents and plugins of WordPress which is not required by you because it slows down your website speed. By default, the website speed should be 7 seconds and the web home page should be 3.24 MB, not more than that. You can follow SEO Planner for improving your site ranking. You can check my blog. And apart from this, you should be ready with your contents so that you can post it regularly. Now you are almost done with your blog. The next thing should be shout out to your blog because nobody knows that your blog exists. Generate traffic by posting it on various websites and social media so that people know about your blog. The best thing to do is you follow Web 2.0. Link is in the description so you can check what is Web 2.0 and follow the steps. Submit your site's URL to all the social media available. If you have any questions, head out to the comment section and let me know. Thank you.